Now happening today, 2 new vaccine megasites open in Brooklyn and Queens dedicated to increasing rates among residents of those boroughs.
They're just some of the ways availability of the shots may be increasing. CBS News' John Diaz joins us live from one of the sites at York College in Jamaica this morning. Hi, John.
Yeah, good morning, Chris. Good morning, Mary. Many people seeing these 2 new sites as game changers. They will be some of the biggest sites across the state of New York, and we are told that between both of them, nearly 42,000 New Yorkers can get vaccinated every single week. This morning marks another significant step in the vaccine rollout. 2 federally backed vaccination sites will be opening their doors to qualified New Yorkers living in underserved minority communities.
Blacks died at twice the rate of whites. Hispanics died at 1.5 times the rate of whites. How shameful. We have to be equitable in the administration of the vaccine, and we have to correct for the injustice that we just saw perpetrated by COVID.
Medgar Evers College in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, and York College in Jamaica, Queens, both can administer up to 3,000 shots a day, making them 2 of the largest vaccination centers in the state. Both state FEMA sites will be open between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. daily, prioritizing people in surrounding zip codes before opening up to all residents of each respective borough after 1 week. Meanwhile, the MTA is making access to the vaccine easier for its workers by opening its own employee vaccination program.
Transit workers have carried the city on their backs, and if we're going to get back to normal, we need to step up and all get our shots.
Starting today at 130 Livingston Street in Brooklyn, the vaccine center will be open Wednesday through Sunday. The MTA hopes to give out 200 doses a day or 1,000 a week. This comes as vaccine makers Pfizer and Moderna told Congress to expect a big jump in the supply very soon. Both companies pledged to have a combined 220 million doses available for shipment by the end of March. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is expected to soon get emergency use authorization, possibly arriving in states as soon as next week. On Friday, an FDA committee will meet. Dr. Anthony Fauci says it will likely take time to scale up production.
They're not going to have a lot of doses on the first day. It'll likely be relatively few, which will then scale up a lot more.
If approved, it would be the first single-dose COVID-19 shot available in the U.S. And back here in Queens as well as in Brooklyn, we are told that the MTA will be providing special bus services from New York City Housing Authority complexes as well as different community centers in order to get people here to this site. Meanwhile, we are told that you can schedule an appointment here at this site by just coming here in person. You can also make an appointment online or give them a phone call. For more information on all that, you can head over to our website, cbsnewyork.com. But for now, we are live this morning from Jamaica, Queens. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you. 6:04.